Speaker sir, I stand by to oppose the demands and support my cut motions. Speaker sir, I like this term Matribhumi. Matribhumi. All life on this earth, including yours, Speaker sir, muge jivit, amge soglange jivit, Speaker sir, is nurtured by land, just like our mother. Matribhumi muche amchi mai. This land is from where we come, Speaker sir. Ye ji zomin ha, amge Kristawange intu, Speaker sir, am muntai ki उगडासकोर मुनशा तूं धूळ आणि तूं धुळींत परततलो means you are dust and you will go back to the dust. Speaker sir, आज आमकां आमगेल्यो जमन्यो राखपाची गरज आहा. आदल्यांगेली एक म्हणणी आहा की प्रत्येक गांवांत प्रत्येक वाड्यांत एक राखणदार, एक गांव पुरुश आहा म्हूण, आनी आम केन्नाय वाट्यो बी कितेंय एस्टेस केलें जाल्यार गांवांत तो गांव पुरुश तुका काटलो आनी माडार वन चुट्टार दोटो म्हूण मुटाले. आनी ह्या भिरांतेनूच आम कांय कोन्न नासले स्पीकर सर गांवांत. टुडे स्पीकर सर हो सरकार जो आहा स्पीकर सर लव्स टू यूज द वर्ड मातृभूमी, पूण ही मातृभूमी, ही मायभूंय, ही जमीन आज डिस्ट्रॉय करून उडयल्या स्पीकर सर. आनी हे आमचे जितले हे एमेंडमेंट्स येताय, हे एमेंडमेंट्स हे मातृभूमी डिस्ट्रॉय करपाचे अशें दिसता स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर, आतां हांव डिमांडाचेर 54 TCP डिमांडाचेर उलयता आसतना स्पीकर सर 2023 हेच हावजान मिनिस्टरान सामको एक व्हडलो बोवाड केलो आनी आमकां सांगलें सगळ्यांक हिंगा की 6 crores square meter जमीन इज मूव्ड फ्रॉम सेटलमेंट झोन. तो म्हणपाक लागलो की 2000 RP21 इज अ स्कॅम म्हणपाक लागलो, एक व्हडलो स्कॅम. आनी हितूंतली जमीन भायर काडली, 100 कोटी जमीन काडली आनी हे सगळो हिंगा एक टेबल, ही टेबल्ड ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस स्पीकर सर. हेजेर हें चोवन स्पीकर सर आमी एक रिसर्च केलो. रिसर्च केलो आनी आमगे रिसर्चाचेर आमकां कितें कळोवन हाडलें की नॉट ओन्ली 6 or 7 crores but 9 crores 75 lakhs 10,000 square meter of the land was not removed but was added to settlement स्पीकर सर. हांव जे फिगर्स सांगता ते आय वील पुट ऑल वॉट आय हॅव ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हावस स्पीकर सर.
Saying that मंत्रीन बोबाळ केलो तो ओके, बोबाळ केलो, टेबल ऑफ द हावसाचेर दवरला रिपोर्ट आनी ते टेबलान सगळें बायफिकेशन आसा. तुजें म्हणटा तें ॲड केलां, जे डिलीट केलां, जे रिवर्ट केलां तें बी मातशें सांगचें तुवें.
स्पीकर सर, हांव कंटिन्यू करतां आनी मंत्र्याक मुखार हेजेर आनी हें करतां. जेन्ना आमी चोयलें की हितूं जे ते भाशेन तेणें सांगलोलें की काडलें म्हूण, बट हितूं काडूं ना, हितूं कितें काय म्हणल्यार एड केलें, सेटलमेंट केलें. इन 2021 RP जो आहलो तितूंत तो सेटलमेंट करून दाखयलो. आज हांव मंत्र्याक एकूच क्लियर करूं सांगता.
एकूच आय डू नॉट अंडरस्टँडिंग वॉट इज सेइंग अदर देन ही विल से आय डिडंट आन्सर हिम करेक्टली. I just want to know from Honorable Member Mr. Benzi, is that he is saying 9 crores has been removed or balanced land has been deleted and what has been added? So just explain. I'm just getting confused.
I want to first ask you that you have to explain why did you mislead us in the floor of the house.
No.
Your 60 koti let me complete.
No, mislead about what?
You have, why did you say that 7 crores? You said
Speaker,
that
sir,
7 crores.
Speaker,
I want clarification on the
I will not only give clarification, I'll put the statistics on the floor of the house before I start talking on the demand. So you'll have exact figures.
So we want to have you to table that 7 crores which was removed from RP21. Give us the breakup from which RP it was removed.
I'll give you the
which
breakup.
Which reference you have taken, which RP son tu yo काढलो or extract with the breakup. कित्याक last time tu जे table केल्ले ते tableaचेर तुगे details कांयच नाही. So I'm full breakup दिये party.
Because sir, I just want to set this clear because then this goes into a different tangent. Honorable member has made a statement on the floor of the house. Before I start answering on the demands, he will have the statistics on the floor of the. Then you can go through it.
Okay, thank you, Speaker sir. So next is Speaker sir. Now when I will come up to what is happening with the present situation, Speaker sir. हांव जे आत उलयतां LAQ 018B 18th of July LAQ आन्सराचे स्पीकर सर आमकां जे इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळां तेजे तुवें चोयल जाल्यार स्पीकर सर एप्रिल 2023 टील डेट 25,71,000 square meters of land has been converted under section 17.2 and section 39A. Speaker sir, mark follow India, mark complete kondia, mark sogle answer magi India.
Honorable member, I just want, why I am correcting him is because I have got the statistics. I don't come unprepared to the floor. What happened prior to my becoming town planning minister also, statistics I will give you. And how much, where that figure of 1 crore and 23 lakhs came before I became a minister, that also I will give him. How it came, that also I will give him. But the figure that he's got is wrong. He needs to correct himself.
Another, Speaker sir, 1 crore 44 lakhs 77,683 square meters, Speaker sir, was sought to be converted in the taluka of Perne itself under the Perne zoning plan using section 19D, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, under section 17.2, 21,29,000 square meters are sought to be converted in just 15 months, Speaker sir. Under section 39A, 4,42,000 square meter of land have been converted in just 1 month from 27 June 2024 till date, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, Speaker sir, I need to complete and then he can.
Honorable member.
My only request to Honorable Speaker is that whatever members give on the floor of the House, they should have the correct statistics. Nothing has been converted under 39A. When it is finally notified, it has to be it stands converted. So when words are being used, because media is also there, media also reports all these things. This figure should be correct and factually it should be correct so that I am able to reply to it. I am saying that the two figures that Honorable Member has said is wrong and I am only requesting Honorable Members to put corrected figures. I have the Minister for Town Planning. I have the figures with me and I am going to give figures right from 1986, every Town Planning Minister what he has done, and I am going to put it on the floor of the House. I have nothing to hide. Whatever has to be done, but only I am requesting Honorable Member Mr. Venzi, he's put the correct figures in front of the House and the media and everybody, so that everybody knows what are the figures. So when I am replying, I am going to go it. I'm going to give it to him actually prior to me starting the speaking, so he has the clarity of the picture.
Because sir, आप परत एक part समझता LAQ 018 Biacher 18 July 2024. I would like to table on the floor of the House all the figures what I have sent. Kindly please table it on the floor of the House.